Hello everybody, here's a quick look at my new router and switch. The router is a Mikrotik CCR1009-7G-1C-1S+. It's a 1U rack mount. It's got 7 gigabit Ethernet ports, 1 combo port, SFP or gigabit Ethernet, 1 SFP plus cage. It's got a 9-core 1.2 gigahertz CPU, 2 gigs of RAM, an LCD panel, and dual power supplies. It also has a smart card slot and runs router OS level 6. Now underneath that is the new which is a Mikrotik CRS326-24G-2S+RM. It's a 24 gigabit port switch with 2 SFP plus cages and a 1U rack mount case, and it's able to dual boot either router OS or switch OS.